Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned into Life with Jessie Ray, and I am Jessie Ray. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle here. I did use the rubber band method to complete this hairstyle because my hair is so short, and I mean I probably could, well not probably, I can grip my hair y'all, but the rubber band method just make it so much easier. And y'all, this probably took me like maybe 2 days because I divided it, well not 2 full days y'all, not 2 full days. Overall it probably took me about maybe 7 hours because of how long they are. Every time I braid my hair, y'all, I always say I'm gonna do them shorter than what I did the last time. And some way, somehow, I end up doing them longer every single time. So yeah, I really hope y'all enjoy this video. And if you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you see more videos like this from me, y'all. I'm still laughing. I'm laughing at myself. I am laughing at myself. But anyway, let's hop right on into this video, y'all. Alright y'all, that is all I have for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already and you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because you made it to the end of the video. So subscribe and click that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. And again guys, thanks so much for watching, for tuning in, for the love and for the support. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.